So here's how to fix Valorant. Your game requires a system restart to play. So first what you can do is go to the logo of Valorant on your PC, right click on it and then go show more options and then go to properties. And in here in the compatibility tab you want to make sure that disable full screen optimizations and run this program as admin is checked. Now click apply and OK. Next, what you want to do is try to reboot your PC and then try to launch the game again to see if that solves the problem. Now, if this still does not work for you, what you can do is right click, go to Task Manager, and then here search for Riot and anything you see related to Riot in here. Right click End Task, including the Vanguard service. And you want to search for Valorant as well. And then end any processes you find running in here. Now you can simply close the task manager. Next, you want to right click on the Windows logo, go to run, and it should bring this window. In here you want to type services.msc, press OK, and it should open up the services window. In here you want to look for VGC or a service called VGC. So you can select anything and press V. Now, if you don't see the service in here, you can simply minimize this and then open the Riot client again. And in Riot client, you want to go to the account logo in here, click on it, and then click settings. And in here, you want to select Valorant and then click on repair. And it should start installing Vanguard again and trying to repair the game files. Now, once the repair is done, you can close this and come back to the services. Now, if you see VGC in here, double click on it and make sure the startup type is set to automatic. And then if the service status is stop, you want to start it. And then you can simply apply and OK. Click apply and OK. Now you can close this. Next, you want to right click the taskbar in here and click on task manager. And in here, you want to go to startup apps. And you want to look for a app called VG Tray. You can also search on the top here, VG Tray, like this. It should have the Vanguard logo on it. Now make sure the status is enabled. So if you click on an app like this, you should see the status in here. It should say enabled. Now if it's disabled, right click on it and click enable to enable it back. Now you can simply close this window right here. And then try to launch the game again to see if that fixes the problem. Now, if it doesn't, what you can do is right click Windows logo, click installed apps. And in here, you want to find Vanguard and remove it. So search for Riot Vanguard. Now, if you find it in here, double or click on the three dots next to it and then click uninstall and then confirm uninstall. Now you can simply close this, then reboot your PC and launch Vanguard or launch Valorant again. And it should prompt you to download and install Vanguard again. And that should generally solve the problem and let you play the game. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.